Hello everybody, and welcome to the next video in the eOPSEC 101 course, OPSEC for Absolute Beginners. In this video, we're going to discuss how to create a NextDNS account on iPhone as well as install it. Now, this one's going to be a bit different from Android, Windows, and Linux, because for iPhone, you have to follow each instruction to a T, otherwise it's not going to work at all. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open our Safari browser. It has to be specifically Safari because we're going to be installing a configuration profile. And if you download a configuration profile itself on any other browser, it really just doesn't work right. So next we're going to go to NextDNS.io and tap Go. You'll get this page that says the new firewall for the modern internet. We'll tap Try It Now. And as you can see, we already have an account set up. Now, as you'll see at the top, this is a temporary account and it will expire in 7 days. I wouldn't sign up for this just yet. I'd give it 3 or 4 days just to try it out. I've never had a problem with it. No one else I know has ever had a problem with it. But if you do, it won't be the first time that something's gone wrong on the internet. So just wait 3 or 4 days, and if you like it, you can always come back and sign up later. We're going to ignore everything here. Keep a note of your ID here. So in this case, mine is 97C125. And come down to where it says recommended configuration profile, iOS 14 or higher. Use our Apple configuration profile generator available at apple.nextdns.io. So we'll go ahead and tap that, and it says set up NextDNS natively. So you can see where it says profile. You don't need to change the name of that. And for device name, you can really put whatever you want. So I'm just going to put, I don't know, 420 lol. And we're going to tap more options. So device model, pick your iPhone or iPad if you want, but in this case, we're going to pick iPhone. And then we need to know what device model we have. So to find that, we're going to go back to the home screen, tap the settings icon, and we're going to go down to, let's see, I haven't used an iPhone in a while. I think it's general, and then, no, it is not. Wait, maybe it is. About. Okay, yeah. So we're going to go to General and then About. And as you can see in the center of the top, we have model name, and ours is an iPhone 11. So we're going to go back to Safari. We're going to pull this menu up again, and we're going to go to iPhone 11. Excluded Wi-Fi networks. You can put any names for Wi-Fi networks you don't want this on for any reason. We're not going to do that. And excluded domains, we're not going to do that either. We're going to leave everything else as it is. We're not going to trust the root certificate authority. We're not going to bootstrap IP addresses. We're not going to prohibit disablement. And we are going to have it be a signed configuration profile. So now you can tap the blue button that says download. Apple.nextdns.io is trying to download a configuration profile. We're going to tap allow. And now we're going to tap closed when it says profile downloaded. Now you've done everything you need on your browser. Go ahead and go back to the home screen, go to your settings wheel, and hit back, and go back to settings. And as you can see, we now have a pop-up near the top that says profile downloaded. And it will show NextDNS with your ID. Remember the one that I showed you to remember earlier. We're going to tap install in the top right. It'll ask you for your passcode, so go ahead and put that in. And then it will say the network traffic of your iPhone may be filtered or monitored by a DNS server. Go ahead and tap install and install one more time. And now our profile is installed. If we go back to our browser and go back to the previous page, we will see that we are now set up on the DNS, the NextDNS private DNS server. And that's all you need to do. Now remember, in 3 or 4 days, you will have to come back. So if you lose this page, just go to nextdns.io like we did earlier and hit that try now button, and it'll bring you right back here. But anyway, that's going to be it for our NextDNS video on iPhone. And I may do one for specific browsers, but I kind of doubt it. It's kind of pointless. Either way, we are at the end of our DNS videos. So I hope you guys did enjoy these. If you did, consider liking, subscribing, commenting, and all that good stuff. Either way, my name is James Martin. You guys have been amazing, and I will